Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be looking at the 2019 Eclipse Iconic. It's a 2816 SWG. As you come in here, and there's control panel on the inside here. Tons of open space with the slide out. Back here you have dual couches up against the wall and a bunk bed up here. The nice thing about this, these couches fold flat so you can use that as a bed and slide it all the way to the roof for capacity here in the storage area. And then your couch will slide in or roll up flat against the wall there. And as you come around this way, you notice 3-burner cooktop here with an oven, nice large microwave, tons of storage up above and down below with 3 nice really deep drawers. And inside here your Dometic fridge, nice and big with the TV up top. As we come around this way, this will be the restroom. With a nice corner shower and an updated sink. The bowl sinks have become really popular. And then back here's the bedroom. Within the bedroom you have storage on both sides and a closet slide. So the nice thing about the closet slide is it gives you quite a bit of capacity to hang your clothes and be able to store a whole bunch of stuff. Then as you can see out here, marine grade speakers, power awning with LED light below. And then your rear hatch here, nice and easily accessed. Easily a one-person job. And then on this side will be your fuel station, all your water controls and your pass-through storage up front. And again, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. This is the 2019 Iconic 26 SWG.